Here we have the Paclock KiK-2B, which is machined from solid brass, specifically a 360 brass alloy, and it has a 5/16 inch diameter shackle, as opposed to the Paclock KiK-3A, which is machined from 6061 aircraft grade aluminum and has the slightly larger 3/8 inch diameter shackle. And we also have a bag that it comes with, has the hardware in it, the cylinder retainer, the screw for that, and a locking washer is in there as well. I also picked up this beautiful brass shackle, which would perfectly complement the solid brass body. When it comes to ordering a KiK padlock from Paclock, well, try saying that 5 times fast, you need to know if your cylinder is of the screw-on cap style, like a Schlage, or a slotted or crosshatch style, and that determines what type of driver you get on the inside of your padlock. You'll see that this one is set up for the Schlage style, where the pin from the screw-on cap interacts with the driver itself. I went ahead and removed the little retaining screw so we can take a look and see. If we go ahead and pluck this out, we'll see what the actuator looks like. So if you have a slotted or crosshatch style, they just send you a different driver that's compatible with that. Here's a close-up of the driver, and you'll see the bottom, that little half moon is how it interacts with the actuator down there. And both the driver and the retainer and every single thing actually in the padlock is either brass or stainless steel, which is great for weather resistance. Putting the cylinder in is extremely easy. Go ahead, open that up, grab the cylinder retainer, pop it right on top of the cylinder, pop it into the lock body, go ahead, open it up. We can drop our screw right in there. Go ahead and tighten that down. Nice and snug. Make sure the key still operates. Close it up and a final test. And it looks fabulous and is functional. Only thing left is to get the brass shackle in. We'll go ahead and open up the padlock. Then we flip it around to where the retaining screw is for the shackle. 2.5 millimeter. Once we get that out, we can make sure the key is rotated so that the ball bearing stays inside. You see, if we let the key go back to its original position, well, that ball could even fall out. So, but it has nowhere to go until you rotate the key. So we'll see it fall in once we do so. Yep, so we'll need to keep that like that so we can get the new shackle in. And go ahead and put that back in there. And that is that. Wow, that looks beautiful.